morning, everyone. How are you guys doing? We're on the highway heading east a little bit today. Got a project, as I told you. Uploading this video with some Nomad internet this morning. Link in the video description for some unlimited mobile internet. Today's plan is we're gonna go stop by Flag Tool and Repair, or Flag Tool and Engine, and we're gonna go talk to him about my generator issue. I have no idea how today is gonna go, but you're here with me, so let's figure it out together. Okay? All right? Also, I want to add, my eye is pretty much completely healed. You probably can't see it from that angle, but believe me, it's pretty much completely healed, which is less than a week. I'm so happy. Now I've got chapped lips on the bottom that keeps cutting. It's all good. All right. We'll head on into Flagstaff, one of my favorite places on the west half of the country. Ah, good old Flagstaff. The memories. Actually, right down here off to the left, I think. Yeah, is old Northern Arizona wind and sun, where I had my epic solar system, where I got it from, and then RV Pepper Wayne put it in. I may stop in and see them while I'm up here. I don't need anything, but might stop in and see how they're doing. I just can't make any plans right now because I don't know what's gonna happen with the generator. So let's yeah, one step at a time here, Eric. Yeah, I love these big mountains here, though. It's so pretty, and they're doing a lot of construction there on Route 66, I-40. Lots. They're gonna have to hurry up, because we are now, yeah, we're in Flagstaff, so we're actually at 7,335 feet here. Did I say Flagstaff again? Flagstaff, Eric, no, we're sticking with Flagstaff. I love this place. There's so much free camping. It is a wonderful place to be stuck. Not that I want to be stuck, but you know what I mean. We just passed RV Country. I was also told that they do good work there for your RV. They fix refrigerators and furnace and water heaters and stuff like that there. But my problem today is the generator, obviously. Okay, this should be it. I'm going to make a really wide turn here. Yeah, this is it. Flag Tool and Engine Repair. I see an Onan logo right there, so I'm going to pull right over here. Go in and talk to the boys and or girls, whoever's here, and see what we can do here, guys. I'll be back with you here in a little bit. All right, so here is where we are at today. John here came outside and spent a good 10 minutes here, started up the generator 3 times. First 2 times it wouldn't start up very well, but just looking at it, he confirmed that we definitely have a fuel delivery problem. Probably not another fuel filter hidden somewhere on the rail, but definitely the choke mechanism is completely not working. Even though the electronics to it are working, he said that choke is not bringing it back, even when the electronics say you're supposed to because you're warm. So, and I may even ask them to do a carb rebuild. Unfortunately, it's just not feasible to pull the generator out for this type of job because we're not doing a top engine rebuild on the generator. So we made an appointment for 2 days from now. So on Thursday, they're going to have the RV here at the shop all day, and they're going to work on the fuel system. And yeah, we'll just do another oil change and filter change while we're here, and hopefully by the end of the day, Thursday, everything will be good to go. That's the best I can say, and we're going to include it all in this video. I'm trying to get with the group because I know they're nearby, so let me call up my friend Mary and see what's going on for today, since now my day's wide open. Getting some sun rays there, Jax man. Good deal. Yeah, so Mary's never been to Winslow. It's on her bucket list, and she's coming this way on Route 66, so I pulled off an exit here, waiting for her to catch up. There's a little bit of road construction back there, and I guess I've kind of just decided that for the next 2 days, I'm just going to go hang out in Winslow. It's a really cool city, and there is a free campground in Winslow. It's even got a body of water nearby, so I'm going to go show Mary that spot, maybe even dink around downtown Winslow, get some photo ops, and that's the plan. It's all good. Can't rush this one, right? It's out of my control. It's out of your control. It's all good. I also just want to point out to everyone following my channel, there are a lot of things broken on this RV. generally speaking, I try not to let it get me down because there's always a way to fix them. However, it had gotten to the point where it's like, everything I'm putting money into is not being fixed on the RV, so that's why I have chosen not to continue on until I get the generator fixed. I've got to have one win, okay guys? I need this bad. So we are going to get the generator fixed, no matter what, okay? Is that somebody I know? I guess so. So that's my motivation. If the generator were the only thing broken on the RV right now, maybe I would continue down the road and fix it in Texas or something, but they are willing and prepared to fix it here, so I'm gonna stick around the area. Well, actually, Winslow's about 45 miles the other direction, but like I said, camping, lake, it's gonna be 88 degrees today, so it is what it is, okay? Yeah. All right, well, we got Mary in front of me here leading the way to the campground. Nicole is also behind us. We found a good spot for some lunch. I mean, they had these really weird potatoes that were on a stick and almost like chips almost. It was really, really strange. Really good food there. Forgot what it's called. I'll probably write it somewhere below. Anyway, this is a place I've been to before, and so the three of us are going to camp here at least one night, but I've got 2 nights, so I don't know. Mary's leading me down a low clearance here, but I think her rig's taller than my, oh, 14.6, we're fine. It looks really deceptive from back there. Like, it looks like, no, it still feels like we're not gonna fit here. That's really weird. No, she's gonna make it. By at least a foot there, yeah. So that should be good. Oh, horn time. Oh yeah, that's some good acoustics in there. All right, I'll get back to it when we get to the camp, guys. Yeah, so we're just on the outskirts of Winslow, Arizona here. This is called McHood Park. It is no longer on freecampsites.net. So, they may have made some changes, y'all. So the rumor goes. It might not even be free anymore. And that stop sign says, pay here, overnight dry camp, $15. It costs $15 to dry camp here now. So, you want to just grab 3 forms?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So there's no forms, Mary's noticing. We're going to drive down there and see if it's even worth $15. If there's a dump station or water, maybe, but, I mean, I can't this place has changed. It's definitely changed since I've been here. Oh, that water's looking good. That river, creek, pond? I think it's a river. McHood, I'm not sure. I don't care, it's pretty here. I'll pay $15. I don't know if the girls want to. Yeah, see, I see some sites down there. Kind of lakefront, not really lakefront, it's more like bushfront. The campers already there have good spots. And then there's these pull-through sites here on our right. Let us figure this out, I'll get back to you guys. It's $15 to camp here at McHood Clear Creek Reservoir now. Used to be free, now it's $15. I think that's also kind of why this place is only like 1/8 full right now on a beautiful day. There's access to the water down there. There's also a designated swimming area up top. I may either have to dunk or get out my sprayer and stay cool. It is nice just to be able to stay in Winslow, and maybe tomorrow I'll start creeping back towards the generator shop also. We paid for 3 people, but we're only taking up 2 sites here. We got Mary here in her truck camper, and Nicole's back there in her Dodge van. And yeah, just going to relax out here. Ooh. Oh my gosh, what a fun, crazy night. Nicole and Mary and I watched the presidential debate here live here with Dish Outdoors, and I don't think I've ever laughed that much. It was a freak show. Oh my gosh, guys. I'm exhausted from watching that debate. Holy cow. Do you feel like you aged like 10 years tonight from that debate, Jax? Who are you going to vote for? Man, I'm going to vote for catnip. Lots of catnip. Okay, you might win that vote. Nicole is going to head on east in the morning. Mary and I are going to head back west. And I may see both of these people later on in Quartzsite next year. We shall see. But I've got stuff to do. This has probably been a really weird video, but actually, think about this. This is what it's really like on the road sometimes. When you're not stopping at every quirky little... I mean, I have filmed the crap out of Route 66. And I am definitely not going to be doing Route 66 when I leave here on Thursday and get the generator fixed. We're going to do something brand new, so... stay tuned. You want to see the stars here? It looks like a really clear night. I'm going to set my camera up outside with the alarm, and we're all gonna enjoy a little star moon lapse tonight. Okay, see you in the morning. Yeah, the stars weren't quite as bright as I was hoping they were going to be last night, but still a very peaceful, nice evening here at this campground. Very nice. So, my plan today, going to get back on the road and head west and kind of take today off making a video, because again, it's just kind of my waiting day till tomorrow. I will cut back in tomorrow in this video when we get the generator looked at. Okay? Okie dokie. Well, here we are, guys. We are parked here on the side lot of Flagstaff's Flag Tool and Small Engine Repair. You can see they work on a lot of generators and small engines and whatnot, and they got a bunch of Onans up there on the rack up there. Mike's got me parked here on the side lot of the building because they've got they're going to clean out the generator, spray it all out or air it out or something like that. We're going to look at the diaphragm for the choke, going to do an oil change, filter change. They're going to look at the carb and everything. So I'm going to sit here and write up some postcards from Arizona to my patrons while they work on this. They're saying it's going to be about a 3-hour project, so cross your fingers, guys. I need this win. I need this win.
7 hours later.
What a crazy day, guys. What a crazy day, and it took all day. There were 2 previous times where we thought we had fixed it. Oh my goodness, I don't recognize anything on my generator anymore. I'm really bad at talking about parts, but okay, a new choke, a new throttle assembly, the carb has been cleaned. We have a brand new fuel pump in the generator. That's right. Fuel pump. I think technically you can say the fuel pump was the main thing. Unfortunately, sometimes these guys are very intermittent, or they're just weak before they actually go out. But, you know, you ask for a load and it can't quite pump enough. Also, this guy, man, how come I don't know the part names? This guy was broken and out. So at the end there, we ran the generator for over an hour under load with the air conditioner. I'm going to show you my bill because I think it's a really good reference for people on the road. You know, I paid a lot less than I would have paid for a brand new generator, right? And this generator's still got 1,000 hours on it. I think it was worth it, you know? So, total today here was $718 to fix all those parts and the labor and everything. And I'll show you the list. You can pause that there or slow down if you want to see all of the work and parts that were replaced today. It was a lot. They treated me fair. They counted the right amount of shop time hours for the labor and everything. They let me stay in my RV and work while they worked on it, and they didn't give up. Actually, I'm going to admit to you, my patron peeps know, I am cutting a lot of video out from today. I try to stay positive, but it doesn't always work. The good thing is, we are leaving Flagstaff. However, I'm actually going back to Williams now because we're going to have to come back through here in 2 days when we start our new journey. So it'll give me a chance to really make sure that we didn't miss anything. There's not anything else. I can't think of anything else that needs to be replaced. The generator is good for the time being. Thank goodness for a win, right? Okay, let's have some fun, man. I need some fun. I will see you guys in 2 days. We're going to have some awesome fun before we hit the road on new adventures, okay? See you in 2 days. And again, I highly, highly recommend Flag Tool and Engine Repair in Flagstaff, Arizona. I will probably be back next year for another tune-up and give them my business. They are fantastic, guys.